Welcome back to Boracay. It's day 2 on our adventure, and today is a really special day. Today is Mylene's birthday, and tomorrow is Mother's Day. So for a special treat for her and the family,
They don't know it yet, don't tell them.
but we're taking them out on the helicopter. They're gonna fly around and get the best view in Boracay for about 20 minutes. The price isn't too bad for 3 people. That runs around 30,000 pesos, roughly $500. It ain't cheap in Boracay, but at the same time, this is an opportunity to make lasting memories and just make some great content and show the world how beautiful this amazing place is. God bless the Philippines. Let's go.
Talaga.
I'm excited sa birthday ng anak ko. Ipasakay kami ng helicopter ni Kuya Well. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Well.
Enjoy lang kami sa anak ko, sa si Will. Okay lang. Salamat.
Namin alam na Ganun pala.
Enjoy sa Boracay.
Na-surprise ba kayo, ma'am? Do you know it na pasasakayin sila parents mo na helicopter? Or...
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Just surprise lang.
Welcome to Boracay Helicopter Adventures. We're here on the north end of Boracay Island, and we're about to take the only helicopter ride available on the island. This is going to be super fun for the family. They've never done anything like this. They've barely even flown in planes, let alone had the opportunity to fly around this gorgeous island in a helicopter. So, first question is how much does this kind of stuff cost? Well, you gotta always do your research, because when I was looking into it, I got many different prices, anywhere from 40,000 pesos all the way down to what we actually paid, which was 27,000 pesos for 3 people to go for 20 minutes. They offer 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20 minutes. If you're gonna come here, you got to do the 20 minutes. You got to get the take full advantage of the opportunity and really enjoy this opportunity, man. 27,000 pesos is nothing to make these memories between family and friends. Come check out the Boracay Helicopter Adventures and let's go. All right, we're here in the waiting room waiting for the Boracay Helicopter Adventures. There's 2 people in front of us, so we got about a 40-minute wait, but thank God they got these air cons in here because it is hot today. It is very humid, but this is a great little spot, and we'll let you know as soon as we're ready to go, and we'll show you what's about to happen. Baby, it's about that time. Let's fly. Show you how you get so fly. We're here at Boracay Helicopter Adventures. We're about to get high in the sky and go see what this beautiful island has to offer. We did the 20-minute flight. I can't wait to see this gorgeous place. You ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Hey, Kuya, how you doing?
Yeah, I set the trend, now they all wanna clone it. You written the lifestyle, I actually own it. From the beat to the flow, every single component is built for the win, you're a fleeting opponent. This ain't for the weak, this is heavyweight sound. I built this whole empire up.
All right, baby, good luck.
They watching my moves, follow me around. Another hater.
The family's about to have a great day. I can't wait. Oh, shit. Yeah, baby, the family's about to enjoy this trip. This is the first time they've ever been to Boracay, the first time they've ever flown on a helicopter. And man, what more can you offer to your family than to work hard, play hard, and give them memories that they can enjoy? Let's go!
ni Kuya Well. Thank you, God. Thank you, Kuya Well. Ano ba yun? Biglaan. Enjoy sa helicopter. Thank you.
I'm your mama. Check it out. We are here in Station 2, and this is a really nice outdoor mall. Absolutely gorgeous. Everything that you want is here, even DJI. Clothes, actually pretty decent clothes, because most of the time when you come to the beaches here, the quality of clothing is garbage. But what I've seen here has been more close to the quality of Thailand gear, which is not bad. So I do suggest that if you're missing some key ingredients to your outfit, you should come down here to this open air mall and come, because it's also a great opportunity to go people watching. Lots of pretty people, lots of fucking people from all over the world. We've run into Koreans, we've run into Chinese, we've run into Africans, we've run into Americans. We try to avoid them. But it's a really awesome place to come and do a little bit of shopping when you're missing something in your wardrobe. Let's go. One? Come on, give me two. Double it. Yellow up. Yellow up, please.
What's that? Dalawa.
2 shots. So the thing about ordering coffee in the Philippines is it's totally different than ordering coffee in the US. Alright? In the US it's almost standard that you're gonna have 2 ounces of coffee in every cup of mocha, cappuccino, Americano, whatever you like to order. Here, it's most likely that you're gonna get 1 shot of coffee, which means that all you're really buying is milk.
Bayad na ba sila? Bayad na.
Oh yeah, dude. Gotta love lechon. The baboy is so delicious.
Baboy.
Yes, it's a very, very, very popular dish here. Filipinos love to roast a pig, just like the Hawaiians, and it is amazing when they roast a pig. It's so good. It's a typical thing that you do for a big celebration. Maybe it's gonna be a wedding or a birthday or something like that. This is actually a pretty small pig. This would probably be 5,000 pesos or $100 or less. It is pretty cool, but we don't collect too much stuff. So souvenirs are everywhere, but I've traveled so much I stopped collecting souvenirs. I don't want to pack more stuff and buy more stuff and take more stuff home. My souvenirs are my memories, my photos, my videos, and my experiences. In my opinion, that's the best thing you can spend money on, is your experience, so that you understand life better and you have more memories, more experiences to fall back on that you can share with other people. That is how you really get a good souvenir. Let's go. Here. Oh my gosh. I can see why everybody loves Boracay. These beaches are just breathtakingly gorgeous. There's a lot of people here because it's kind of the end of summer, but come on, man, this is just such an amazingly beautiful place here. So here in Boracay, it's very, very common for them to build these absolutely magnificent sandcastles. You're going to see them all up and down the beach, and the people who build them are truly talented individuals because these are absolutely gorgeous works of art. And during different times of the years, the sandcastles get more interesting, more intricate, and more involved. This one is a fairly simple one for Boracay, but you'll see some really incredible ones if you come around during different holidays. guy got some tricks. You guys might have to learn a little something from him. Hey, day 2 has been really successful so far. We had an amazing time in the helicopter tour. That was so cool to give Lean's parents opportunity to experience that. Now we're back at the hotel. We just rested, enjoyed an incredible sunset. The sunsets here are just incredible. Now we're headed out. We're gonna go grab some seafood. There's a lot of choices here, but thankfully we found the right people and they're connecting us with some fantastic seafood. Let's go. All right, just like my girlfriends, I want the youngest one.
We're going to find the youngest one.
Yeah, just get one that's healthy, it'll be fine.
Find how do you find a girl?
Thermidor sauce. It's white cream sauce with cheese.
Okay. Yeah, baby. Ooh, look at that one. You want get him, baby. You guys hungry? Tara na. Let's eat. Huh?
How much?
I'm gonna check it there first.
Well, it's not happy with me. It's not happy. Yeah, he likes him better. Look at he's all calm.
A few moments later.
I'm still Val from the block.
Or steam or sweet and sour.
What are you getting? What are you ordering?
Fish,
Is
sweet
that
and
red?
sour.
Sweet and sour? It looks like it's fish.
No,
Do fish come in sweet and sours?
No, it's how they
Is that
cook
saltwater
the fish.
versus?
Depends on how you.
Oh, okay. What kind of fish is that?
Grouper.
Grouper?
Anong nga to?
This one is red grouper.
Right.
Marlin.
What
Left.
about they don't have shrimp? You want shrimp?
Middle.
What are you gonna get? Get whatever you want.
I don't know. I think this is the only other fish.
Yo, the fresh seafood markets are the best. Okay, you come in, you pick your fish. It's only a week or two old. I'm just kidding. Usually it's caught that day, and then they will cook it for you on the spot. You can get salted fish, you can get lobster, you can get crabs, you can get these huge prawns, all kinds of amazing choices. I love the seafood in the Philippines. I'd say that I'm still a bigger fan of seafood in Vietnam, and seafood in Bangkok is really, really good too. Seafood all over Thailand is good, but I digress. The seafood here is legit. It's very, very good stuff. Take a look at that big, huge calamari. Oh my God.
Nag-order na kayo ng kinilaw? Okay.
Two slice po. Para
So we'll see how it goes. We'll check back in with you guys once we get the food cooked and prepped, and we'll show you exactly what the Philippines has to offer, what Boracay has to offer, and how much it's going to cost you. Let's go.
You want some squid?
Not really. Dude, we got lobster, we got crab, we got fish, we got prawns, right?
Yeah. And no,
Okay.
we don't have prawns.
prawns.
Get a half a kilo of prawns.
1 kilo.
Kakain kayong
Half a
prawns?
kilo.
Tumak na.
Ask them. Let's see how much it is.
May atras na konti. Atras konti, may.
promise you, I can read your mind, it's true. Yeah, you wanna ride, rendezvous. Let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can do. I promise you, I can read your mind, it's true. Yeah,
The loyalty and
Oh no, he's a pimp.
How old are you, man?
He might be 16. It's all over his face. The way he dresses, the way he acts. See, he says the same thing. Explain to your woman pogie problems. How to explain to your woman that your heart is loyal, but the dick is community property. Let's go. Yeah. Every Filipino's dream. Right. Yeah. Yo. They say that it's funner in the Philippines, but the reality of the Philippines, the real motto of the Philippines is that rice is